Welcome back to Unit 9, Part 3. Unit 9, Part 3 of finding out as the output, what happens to the output when we change the input. Okay, we got a function here, p of x equals negative 5x minus 3. We want to know what's going to happen when d is negative 3. Maybe it shouldn't be. This should be x. Sorry, not d. Okay. If we substitute this into our equation, we're going to get negative 5 times negative 3 minus 3. That's positive 15 minus 3. Positive 15 minus 3 is 13. So p of negative 3 equals, this wrong again, that's not d, that's p. P of negative 3 equals 13. Pretty easy. All we're doing is substituting. I'm going to change this to a D. Sorry, forgive me again. I moved these around on accident, but we're just going to work this way as well. D of 5. We're going to substitute that into there. That's all we're going to do. If D is 5, what do we get? Well, we're going to get 5 squared. Put that in parentheses, plus 4. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 4. 25 plus 4 is 29. D of 5 equals 29. That's all done. That's all it is, 29. Let's keep going. We got one more down here. Well, what's D of 2 minus P of 2? Right. Well, if D is x squared plus 4 and D, let me make this a little bit bigger or smaller so you can see everything. If D is 2, that means we're going to substitute that into here. So we're going to get 2 squared plus 4 minus, and P of 2 is going to go into this one here, negative 5 times 2 minus 3. Well, 2 squared is 4. 4 plus 4 minus negative 5 times 2 is negative 10 minus 3. And simplify. 4 plus 4 is 8. Negative 10 minus 3 is negative 13. 8 minus a negative 13 is 8 plus 13. 8 plus 13 is 21. So this equals 21. And you're all done. That's all it is. You're just using substitution. Substitution. Let's keep going. If d of x equals 40, find x. Okay, remember our equation. Let's make this one x squared plus 4, and p of x, let's make that negative 5x minus 3. Okay, so d of x equals 40. Well, if d of x equals 40, that means we're going to replace d of x with 40, and that equals x squared plus 4. Let's solve that. First thing you want to do is subtract 4. It's 36 equals x squared. Can't have an x squared. We got to take the square root of both sides. So we're going to get that x equals plus or minus 6. So d of plus or minus 6 equals 40. And you're all done. Let's try this one over here. Again, p of x equals negative 33. So we're going to say negative 33 equals negative 5x minus 3. We're just going to solve. Same way we did on the last one. Plus 3 to both sides. Get rid of that. Trying to get the x by itself. That equals negative 30 equals negative 5x. You divide by negative 5 to both sides. And we get negative 30 divided by 5, which is 6. and that equals x. So P of 6, which is our answer here, equals negative 33. That's it for this video. We got one more after this. Check on back. Let me know if you have any questions.